I'm Andrea Bouget, founder of Aromahead Institute, and I want to make an inhaler blend with you that is ideal for using in the morning, especially if you feel like you're coming down with a cold or the flu, or you're just already in it, you're sick, you're not feeling well, you wake up, your head is thick and stuffy, that sort of feeling that we all know and love to avoid. So this inhaler is going to be a really good friend to you. It's got 4 wonderful essential oils in it, and the recipe is from my book called The Heart of Aromatherapy, and the name of the recipe is Feel Better in the Morning. And it is really the perfect morning blend because it's so uplifting and it will clear your head and it will just feel so good. All right, so I have an inhaler here and it's got a couple parts. I have a purple one, and this is the cover, and this is the actual inhaler. So I'm just going to put the cover on, and then I've got a nice organic cotton wick that I'm going to put right inside of it, and we're going to drop the drops right on there. And then when we're done, we'll put the cover right on. Okay, it's very easy. All right, so the first oil we're going to use is lime. This is a beautiful distilled lime, and it couldn't be brighter and sweeter. It smells so invigorating. It just makes me happy. As soon as I smell it, I feel happy. But also, it's really supportive for your immune system, and it's going to help clear your head. So I'm going to put 5 drops right into the inhaler, just right onto the wick itself, which is sitting inside of this. So we'll get 5 drops. There we go, 5. And gosh, what a burst of aroma. It's incredible. I can already smell it in the whole room. Now the next oil we're putting in is tea tree. And we'll put 5 drops in. And tea tree, it's a very medicinal aroma. It's very clean and fresh. And it's so great. It's great antimicrobial. So it's going to help reduce germs. And so if you have a sinus infection or you really are getting sick, this is going to be a great oil to be inhaling a lot in the morning. Okay, so I'll put 5 drops in of tea tree, and the smell with the lime is really nice. The lime balances the tea tree because the tea tree has that medicinal aroma. Now I'm going to put this down for a second, and I'm going to read you a little bit more about tea tree right from my book, because I made a story. I personified all of the oils in my book. I gave them personalities, I gave them jobs, I gave them ways that they interact with other oils to help you remember their medicinal properties. So I'm going to just put this down here for a second, and I'm going to read you the story about tea tree. Okay? All right. So tea tree has a natural cleaning business, of course, right? Because it's so great at getting rid of germs. Tea tree's home is always spick and span and ready for guests. But be prepared if you visit, because you'll be given a spray bottle and a sponge, and you'll be put to work cleaning. Tea tree has high standards, so don't let it catch you sitting around doing nothing when there is work to be done. Don't forget to take your shoes off at the door as well. The tea tree essential oil motto is clean equals healthy equals happy. So it admires what bleach can do, but it prefers a more natural approach. So it started its own natural cleaning business. Tea tree's mission is to clean every home, office, massage room, and yoga studio without relying on chemicals. It has a dream team of natural cleaners on its crew, and it always checks their work with a white glove. Tea tree invited the citruses, the conifers, and lavender onto its team. And the good thing about lavender being on the crew is that lavender helps tea tree relax, because tea tree can be a little uptight. Let's see, tea tree's mission doesn't stop with external environments. It also goes after infections that make their way into your body, giving your inner environment the same white glove treatment that it gives the cleaning crew. It loves clearing away inflammation and congestion. It thinks mucus is messy, and it has no patience for it. So since it's so good at cleaning up messes that can cause discomfort, Tea tree has got a reputation as well for relieving pain. All right, so I hope you enjoyed this story. Let's keep making this blend. And I hope this story helps you remember a little bit about tea tree's properties. That's the goal of the stories. Okay, now we have lavender, and I'm going to put in 3 drops of lavender. And lavender is just so nourishing for our bodies if we're not feeling well. There we go, 3 drops. It's balancing, it's calming if your sinuses are swollen. It reduces that inflammation. It is very supportive for your respiratory system and your immune system, and it just smells great. And then we're going to put in 2 bursting drops of peppermint. And the peppermint is also going to help to reduce the germs, and it's so perfect for the morning. It's uplifting, it's bright, it's going to clear your head. You know menthol. Menthol just clears your head. So it will help if you're congested or stuffy, or it feels stuck, or maybe there's a sinus headache. It's ideal. All right, well, what a combination, right? This is such a great inhaler. I think you're gonna love this recipe. So I just popped the bottom on, and then I'm going to open it up, and I'll just put my finger on one side of my nose and breathe it in. Wow, that is just so fabulous. What a smell. Not to mention, immediately, it's just clearing my head. You'll be able to feel it right away. I'm sure of it. All right, well, I hope you don't ever need to use it, but if you do, I hope it's very helpful for you. All right, take care, everybody. Bye for now.